Starting a truck dispatching business can be a lucrative venture. As a dispatcher, your role involves connecting shippers and freight companies with available truck drivers to transport goods. The startup costs for this business can vary depending on several factors such as the scale of operation, location, and technology investments. Here is a detailed breakdown of the potential costs involved. Training and licensing. Before starting, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of the industry. Several courses are available online and offline that offer training on how to become a truck dispatcher. These courses typically range from $200 to $500. Besides, you might need certain licenses to operate legally. Depending on the state you're in, the cost for these licenses can range from $100 to $300. Office space. As a truck dispatcher, you need a professional workspace where you can concentrate without interruptions. If you choose to lease a commercial office space, this can cost anywhere between $300 to $1,000 per month, depending on your location. However, starting at home can significantly cut down this cost. Equipment and supplies. You will need some basic office equipment such as a computer or laptop, a high-speed internet connection, a reliable phone line, a printer, and office supplies. The cost for these can range from $1,000 to $2,500 depending on the brands and models you choose. Software. You will need dispatch software to manage and track shipments effectively. The cost of such software can range from $30 to $100 per month, depending on the features offered. Investing in a good customer relationship management (CRM) system can also be beneficial. Website and online presence. A professional website can help attract clients and establish credibility. Depending on whether you hire a professional or use a website builder, this can cost anywhere between $200 to $1,000. Additionally, you might want to consider costs for SEO and social media marketing to promote your business online. Insurance. Depending on the size and scale of your business, you may need to consider various types of insurance like general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, and workers' compensation insurance if you plan to have employees. The cost for insurance can range from $500 to $2,000 per year. Legal and accounting. Depending on your business structure, you may need to register your business with the state, which can cost around $50 to $500. Also, hiring an accountant to manage your books or using accounting software can cost around $300 to $800 per year. Staffing. If you plan to hire employees or contractors, you'll need to factor in salaries or hourly wages. This cost can vary widely depending on how many people you hire and their experience levels. Communications. As a dispatcher, communication is key. You'll need a reliable business phone system and maybe even a fax machine. These costs can range from $30 to $100 per month. Utilities. If you're renting an office space, don't forget to factor in the cost of utilities like electricity, water, and internet. This can add an extra $100 to $300 per month. Adding up all these costs, you're looking at an initial investment of approximately $4,000 to $10,000 to start a small to medium-sized truck dispatching business from scratch. It's important to note that these are rough estimates, and actual costs can vary based on various factors. However, the potential returns can be substantial. The average truck dispatcher can earn between 10% to 15% of the total load price in commission. With the trucking industry set to grow in the coming years, the demand for reliable and efficient dispatch services will only increase, further enhancing earning potential. Starting a truck dispatching business requires strategic planning and a keen understanding of the industry. By strategically managing your startup costs, focusing on excellent customer service, and continuously looking for ways to grow, you can build a successful and profitable truck dispatching business. For instance, having a strong network in the trucking industry can open up opportunities for better contracts and more profitable deals. This is where your communication and negotiation skills come into play. Being able to negotiate favorable terms for both the truckers and the freight companies will help you secure more business. Besides, offering excellent customer service can set you apart from competitors. This includes quick response times, problem-solving skills, and providing reliable and efficient services. Remember, in this industry, time is money. The faster a load is delivered, the more profitable it is for everyone involved. Also, don't forget the importance of marketing your business. Building an online presence through a professional website and active social media profiles can help you reach a wider audience. You might also consider traditional marketing methods like business cards, flyers, and networking.